Good afternoon. I'm Gudrun, and I came to Dr. Frisch because I had let my hip go for many years. It had gotten really bad and it needed to be replaced. So he did my right hip in June, and then I needed the other one done, and we just got that done in September. I can't tell you what an amazing job he's done. I've taken weight off, I'm so active, I'm out of pain, I have no limp, I have no bend after using a cane for 6 years. Not only is it Dr. Frisch, his support staff is just amazing. They're so attention to detail, take care of you. And then the nurses, medication, everything, went so well that it was almost pain wonderful. And I just thank everyone and advise, if you've been waiting to have any type of replacement, your joints aren't good, Dr. Frisch is an amazing man. I thank them and appreciate their time. Thank you.